Hi friends, welcome to Quiz Robin. Guys, this video improve your observation skills, sharpen your eyes and boost your brain powers to find the odd numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Come on for the first round. Hi my respectable viewers, find the emoji that stands out from the rest. The time is up. Wow, you find the odd eagle emoji. Hi my genius viewer, look closely and find the odd owl emoji within given time. Time is over. Wow, you find the owl odd emoji. Hello my genius viewer, one emoji breaks the pattern. Can you see it? The time is gone. Wow, you spot the parrot art emoji. Legends, check your observation skills to find the odd numbers 13 within given time. The time is up. Wow, amazing. Legends, how sharp are your eyes? Find the odd letters TF among FT. You are out of time. Wow, you are genius. Quiz master, one emoji is unique from the others. Can you find the odd peacock emoji? The time is done. Wow, you got it easily. Hello legends, spot the odd number 35 before time runs out. Your time is over. Wow, outstanding. Hi quiz lover, test your IQ level to find the odd letters MN. Time has run out. Wow, brilliant. My respectable viewers, one emoji doesn't fit in the patterns. Can you find it? Oh no, you find it, flamingo. Hi champion, check your observation skills to find the odd numbers 67. Time is up. Wow, impressive observation. Hello legends, one of the emoji looks a bit unusual. Can you find it? Your time is up. Wow, you find the odd duck emoji. Hi brain master, can you spot the difference? You are out of time? Wow, you find the difference. Hi quiz champion, did you find the all letters JG among GJ? The time is over. Wow, you got it very easily. Hello my champions, are you quizmaster? Find the emoji swan. Time is ended. Wow, you spot the emoji swan. Hey puzzle lover, find the hidden one out. Time is up. Boom! Excellent work. Hello eagle eyes. Are your eyes sharp like an eagle's? Find the emoji penguin. You are out of time. Wow, you find the emoji penguin. Genius! Nobody can find the odd number 89 among 98. Boom! You find the odd number 89. Hi superstar, challenge your brain today. Yummy, you find the odd turkey. Hello my respectable viewers, can you beat these puzzles? Find the odd numbers 38. Quiz master, can you identify the odd emoji within given time? Legends, how sharp are your eyes? Find the odd emoji octopus. Quizmaster, spot the unique letters BHD. Hello legends, did you find the odd numbers 498? Genius viewer, can you find the odd emoji jellyfish? Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you in the next video.